Welcome to Module 2 of MAT153 Web Design 1. In this module, you will get an overview of web design, starting with trying to define exactly what web design is, and then looking at what a web designer is and what a web designer does. Then we'll look at where we get started with this whole thing called web design, and where do we go if we want to be a professional web designer or if we want to just make a website as a hobby or for our own business. We're also going to explore getting online quickly using free web builder sites. Okay, now let's go to the website. You'll see here in the web design module that there are some activities you need to complete. The first is doing the reading. So clicking on what is web design, you'll see that there's a definition of what that is, web development, a web designer. We're also going to look at what is a web designer, okay, and is it right for you? Different areas of web design. Then where to start. And then we'll look at getting online quickly. What does that mean? What exactly is involved in that? Then there's going to be some tutorials you need to watch. So starting with web design fundamentals, and this is a lynda.com tutorial. So you'll have to click on here. This will take you to lynda.com and you'll have to log in. So if you haven't already purchased the subscription to lynda.com, be sure you do so now. After you finish watching the lynda.com video, Web Design Fundamentals, you're going to do a tutorial called Let's Make a Website. And this tutorial, I'm going to give you an overview of how to create a website using a free website builder tool. Now, I'm not going to walk you through step by step because they're all different. It's going to be unique to how far you want to go with creating the site, but this is going to get you to get a website up and running quickly in the first week of class. So once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to click here on Submit Assignment, and this is going to take you to Google Classroom. Now, if you're not already logged in here already into Pipeline, it's going to ask you to log in using your Pipeline credentials. You must use your Pipeline credentials. And then once we're logged into Classroom, you'll be able to see a place where you can submit the actual assignment. So what you're going to do here is you're going to submit a URL to the web page that you've made. So once you have your website completed, you're going to go and you're going to highlight the address, the URL, and then you're going to copy that. And then you're going to go to Google Classroom, and then you're going to use that URL to paste it in, adding a link, and then click Turn In. I do not have the same interface here, but yours will give you an option to add a link and then click Turn In. And then once you've done that, you're done.